When we think about the emissions associated with farming, sometimes it can help to break these into 6 different buckets, or levers, the key areas that contribute to emissions on our farm. The first of these, and the most important, is nitrogen fertiliser. The reason why this is important is that nitrogen fertiliser manufacture has a really high emission footprint, which means that every time we bring nitrogen fertiliser on our farm, we bring those embedded emissions along with it. And because we tend to use a lot of nitrogen fertiliser, we then get a lot of those embedded emissions as well. The second part about nitrogen fertiliser usage on farm are the emissions associated with its interaction with soil and the loss pathways that can occur when we apply that to land. So the manufacture and the use of nitrogen fertiliser combined are a significant part of the emissions associated with dryland cropping in Australia. The second key lever, or the key bucket of emissions, is around crop residues. We know that if we incorporate or retain our residues, we have a lower emission footprint compared to when we burn them. So when we think about burning, we really need to think about that strategically to ensure that we're only burning those paddocks that absolutely need it as far as management and de-risking into the following season. The third part of emissions on farm, or the third bucket of emissions, would be considered as soil processes. So we know that a healthy soil is high in microbial activity, and those microbes, like us, breathe in oxygen and breathe out carbon dioxide. So a healthy functional soil system will have emissions, and that's a completely important and normal part of our soils. The fourth part, or the fourth bucket of emissions, is diesel usage. So it's no surprise that all of the machinery that we use on farm contributes to those emissions. The next one is our farm chemicals. So all the embedded emissions associated with the manufacture of those chemicals when they come onto farm contribute to those emissions. And then the last one is irrigation. So for any of our irrigated systems, the energy required for pumping and distribution of water also contribute into that emission bucket.